In this video tutorial, you're going to learn how to schedule posts on TikTok. First things first, you cannot do this on the mobile device. There's no way of doing it. You can try, but there's no viable way of doing it. So in order to do it, you need to go to your computer or a desktop and go to tiktok.com. Now, this will work on certain browsers on mobile if you force the desktop mode of the site, but I've tried it on my iPhone multiple times. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So the best way, go to a desktop, go to tiktok.com and log in. Once you've logged into the desktop version of the TikTok site here, you will see on the left-hand sidebar all of the normal options. You want to go to upload. Click on the addition symbol where it says upload. Then go ahead and select a video. And then you'll see where you can add a description, a title of the video, and then you'll have the ability down here that says settings, when to post. Go ahead and select the schedule option here, and then you'll have the ability to hit a drop-down menu to choose the specific time that you want to upload it, as well as the specific date in the future. Then you can choose who can watch this video, and then you can do all the normal things you would with a normal post. And then instead of upload, it will say schedule. So go ahead and click the schedule button here. And as you can see, it says video published. That just means that it's going to be published whenever you scheduled it to go live. If you want to delete it, you can go to your post here, click the three dots, go to delete, and you'll delete that scheduled post. But that is the easiest and quickest way to schedule a post or video on TikTok. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.